How to create a Possible account. Let's go ahead and start the video. First of all, open Possible on your device. If you don't have it, go ahead and install it from the Play Store. You can use your phone number, your Truecaller ID, or your Google account. So you can click on any one of these. I'm just gonna go ahead and click on the Google account. After you click on Google account, just go ahead and select the Gmail which you usually use. After that, your account will easily be created. You can just go ahead and select the things which you want to use it for, and you can just go ahead and select all of your entities like your gender, your age, the city you live in, and you can also see the medical conditions. If you have any, you can just write it down and tap on next. After you do so, you can just go ahead and tap on next. And as you can see, now you need to write in down your inches. That means your height. So go ahead and use this. And after you do so, click on check. And you can just go ahead and continue. Now you can just go ahead and start this process. And after you do this, you can easily check out your work schedule. So guys, this is how easy it is to create a Possible account. I hope this video was helpful for you. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more.